All right, so let me show you how you can get a free trial plus a custom deal for Shopify. So Shopify is on the more expensive side, especially if you're just getting started with e-commerce. And so this deal will be perfect for you. So if you click the link in the description down below, it will take you to this custom landing page where you can get this deal. So as you can see, you can sign up for a free trial by simply entering your email right here, which is a free trial, and there's no credit card required. And then after that, if you wish to, you have the option to use Shopify for 3 months for just $1 a month. So a total amount of only $3, which is an amazing deal. In order to do that, all you need to do is simply submit your email right here. So I'm just going to use this one for now, but you want to put in your real email, of course. Click start free trial, and they're going to redirect you to the sign up page where you can create your account, which will be free for the first 3 days. And then after that, if you wish to proceed, you can sign up for just $1 a month for the first 3 months, which is an amazing deal. And so to claim that, I'll leave my link in the description down below, and then you can pretty much use it. So I hope you appreciated this quick insight into how to save some money. If you did, leave a like on the video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All resources in the description, and good luck with your store.